Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you a quick video on how to remove the glove box. I open it gently. It has
two stoppers.
Two stoppers.
One here and one here.
One here. So we have two stoppers. One here and another one this side. So you turn them gently. It's like a lock. And also this side.
Goes like this and locks.
Yes, and this gets out. We shall also put the other stopper at the other side so that they don't get lost. And this was a quick video on how to remove the glove box of a Harrier model 2007, and this could work on other versions of Harriers. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified if I upload this video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
We are going to remove it.
So before we end this video, we have to remove it completely, as our YouTube title says. So remove the down panels. So remove them gently. They don't have screws attached to them.
It is only this, the locks.
It is only this, and then we shall try to lock down.
There is screws.
You have screws?
Yeah, we have screws. We have one here.
One.
We have one here. Another one is here. We have to remove this.
So you have to remove the door panel.
This is
gently.
Side covers.
The side covers of our Harrier. The model is 2007.
Then we'll remove this.
And also remove that gently. It has only stoppers. Then after we are going to remove our screws down, the one we have